Hey guys, my wife and I,
Hey!
we're packing for our trip to Savannah. We've got this new Fuse smart card that's going to help us with our purchases throughout the trip. This card can store information from almost any card in my wallet. Debit cards, credit cards, reward cards, gift cards, gym membership, anything with a barcode, an EMV chip, a magnetic strip, or NFC tech, Fuse stores it. You just swipe or take a picture of a card through your smartphone and it appears on Fuse. Now, you may be wondering about security. The Fuse card runs on Bluetooth and connects directly to your phone. If necessary, you can delete all the information on the card with the push of a button. I've got my key, I've got my phone, I've got my wallet. Fuse allows you to select any card to use when you need it. For instance, when you pay for gas, you might rather use debit than credit. You can also add your GasPay membership info. You can even use multi-pay mode to combine the two cards for a simpler transaction. Fuse makes it all easy. I've got like 30 different cards all at once, so it's got my debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, membership cards.
Oh, that's awesome. See if it works. All right, it worked.
Fuse has the capability for NFC technology. NFC means you can tap the card to make contactless payment. Using its buttons, you can create a 6-tap password to lock and unlock the card. So if it ends up in the wrong hands, they won't be able to access your information. By pressing the hold button for 3 seconds, you can freeze the Fuse card so that your preferred payment method doesn't accidentally change. The card stays locked and active for 10 minutes, unless it's told otherwise. It's cool too, because if you forget your card, your phone will send you an alert before you get too far away. Plus, its battery lasts an average of 30 days. That means you have about a month before you have to worry about recharging it. But when you do have to charge it, Fuse's portable charging cradle has a built-in battery, allowing you to charge the card
I hear it, the sound's coming through. Yeah, I like it. So funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy. Sorry about that. Hello? Yeah.
When it's made for man, you'll know. Introducing the Core Belt with our patented trackline technology. From the outside, it looks like a traditional man's belt, but flip it over and everything changes. First, we got rid of the belt holes. Then we replaced it with a hidden track sewn into the back of the belt. This track gives you over 40 size positions to choose from. Now you can adjust your belt 1/4 inch at a time for a precise, comfortable fit. The small release tab positioned under the buckle lets you quickly adjust or remove the belt entirely. This is the best fitting, most comfortable belt you'll ever own. There's over a dozen unique buckle styles to choose from, in solid stainless steel, alloys, and even EDC gun belts. We offer both full grain and top grain leather belts in a variety of men's colors. Sizing your belt is easy. First, on the back of the belt, locate your pant size using the printed ruler marks, then add 4 inches and cut. For example, if your pant size is 36, add 4 inches and cut the belt at 40. Then reattach the buckle and wear. It's that simple.